Yeah, it sounds insane.
The echo is like...
Yeah.
What is that, a Lamborghini?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. My ears hurt. My ears hurt. I have to pee so bad too. Oh. That actually was insane. The echoing, everything with that. Like you could hear it like literally echoing through the entire mountains. I don't know what I'm gonna do driving this car like in the city in normal roads. I really don't know what to do. Like it's going to be so extremely loud, high pitched. I mean, it sounds like an F1 car driving through the streets.